Hello, Dr. Belvin. One of the best things that has happened to both of us has been meeting you and the opportunity to deep dive into your research. Your research has also played a key role in bringing us together and letting us work as a team. So, thank you for that.
Dr. Belvin, you have always been so much ahead of time. And today, the HR world talks so much about HR analytics, big data analysis. And doctor, you've given this all to us so much in advance through the Interplace. We're now going into the Interplace 8 version. Thank you so much.
The concept of Belbin team roles has given me an insight into my own preferences for behavior in the context of a team. This concept has also helped me to understand underlying reasons for team performance and for interpersonal issues that may arise in the team.
And thank you for your work on Belbin team roles, which helps the teams I work with unite behind a common language and become higher performing teams.
Thank you so much, Dr. Belvin, for your valuable contributions in understanding the team roles that we play at work. They have helped me immensely to increase my confidence, improve my productivity and overall performance.
Almost about 5 years back, I was introduced to you by none other than Leslie and Pearl when they spoke first to us on Belbin team roles. And I kind of found very, very interesting, so much that I took it up in every place that I worked.
Let me thank you for giving such a wonderful development tool to the world. I'm using this Belbin team role power of creating synergy among the team for last 10 years. I come from military background, so I know the importance of how important it is to work in the team. And let me tell you that your tool has helped me in corporate world to bring this aspect of how we can really scientifically make people understand, realize the importance of working in team and the positivity of each and every member contributing their strengths to the team.
First of all, thank you so much for bringing Belbin to the world. I've been using it for the last 2 years as a leadership coach and a facilitator of potential programs. And it's made a tremendous difference to me as a facilitator and of course to the participants when they discover themselves and how to leverage their strengths and how to do understanding others by itself is great value. The tool is simple and powerful.
This year is another milestone marking your success. May you continue to touch lives around you like you have touched mine through your research and work on managing teams through team roles. I hope the coming years bring even more happiness and health to you.
When I got to know about Belbin team roles, my focus was to work on my weaknesses. You made me realize that I need to leverage my strength to the advantage of the group while being conscious of my allowable weaknesses. Sir, you have changed and made richer the lives of people like me, and we don't have words enough to convey our gratitude.
Thank you so much for this wonderful, beautiful tool called the Belbin team role, and we use it extensively. I'm sure I'll continue to use it extensively. I've enjoyed using it and my clients have enjoyed using it. So great, thank you so much.
It's been 35 months. I recollect 4th of July 2017 when I got introduced to Belbin team roles. Since then, Belbin has been a companion for me in my journey of this life, and every time I rely or depend on Belbin team roles quite a lot for the situation, for the people and for myself. It has helped me to learn more about the situation, about the people and more importantly about myself.
Belbin and its team roles are the talk of town amongst the HR fraternity. It's been a boon to all those who have experienced the Belbin learnings and have benefited immensely to work as a team in their organizations.
You'll never get to know the number of admirers you have for you and people who just love you for what you've done to humanity. What rings to me about Belbin is that when I'm weak, I am the strongest. So there can be no better message to accept our weaknesses and rejoice because it's the other end of my strengths. And I don't need to battle my weakness anymore. Thanks for all that you have done through Belbin to this entire world.
Hello Dr. Belbin, this is Jalaja and Hari Prasad from Bangalore. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have loads of fun and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Dr. Belbin. May God bless you with a long life. And the reason I say long life is I don't think of you as 94 years old. I think of you as 94 years young. So you're, in my view, you're a 20-year-old with 74 years of experience. So let's look at it like that.
Happy birthday, Dr. Belbin.
As you celebrate your 94th birthday, I thank God for your life. I thank God for the person that you are. May you continue to touch and inspire many more lives.
I wish you all the very best, a very healthy life. Have a wonderful year ahead. Let's hope that despite all this trouble, everybody is safe. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with a long and healthy life.
Keep you blessed always. For our sake, happy birthday. Vrindavan.
On your 94th birthday, I'm wishing you all the very best. May you live many more years with a lot of grace, good health and joy.
Happy birthday, sir. Have a great day.
Wishing you the best of health and happiness on your birthday. Take care and stay blessed.
Dear Dr. Belbin, I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
So Dr. Belbin, I'd like to wish you many, many happy returns of the day. May you continue to impact, nurture and transform lives of individuals, teams and institutions forever.
Thank you and wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Have a wonderful day. We're sending you lots of love.